guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody. Today I'll show you how to make a cabbage soup. Okay, it's a very simple uh, vegan or vegetarian soup. Okay, let's get started. Alright, what we need is this called is really a Brussels sprouts soup. Brussels sprout is just like this tiny cabbage like, but you can also use, instead of Brussels sprouts, you can use the regular cabbage, the green cabbage, the same amount, or a Napa cabbage. So my husband doesn't like Brussels sprouts and not really fan of green cabbage too, so I'm using a Napa cabbage. Okay, this Napa cabbage, most Asians call it Chinese cabbage. Okay, that's Napa cabbage. Alright, 8 to 10 Brussels sprouts or similar amount of cabbage, 1 carrot, 4 to 5 fresh mushrooms, 4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons Bragg liquid aminos or soy sauce, 1 large clove of garlic crush, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning or dill weed, and 1 tablespoon of beef-like seasoning, or you can use the vegetarian bouillon. Okay, so that's up to you, whatever you like to use, vegetarian bouillon, chicken-like or beef-like seasoning, or the beef or chicken-like seasoning is you can buy it in the health food store here in US, and I don't know in the other countries if they have that, but like I said, you can use the bouillon. Okay, it's either vegetarian or whatever you desire to use, plus half a teaspoon of salt. So now let's get it started. I already sliced some of the ingredients. So the mushroom, cabbage, carrots, and onion, cut them or slice them thinly. Okay, so let's continue what we're doing. So I already cut the carrots and the onion. Now let's go with our mushroom. If you like mushroom a lot, you can put more mushrooms if you want. Oh, by the way, the onion is only 1/2 of the big onion, yellow or white onion or red onion, the big one. It's only half. Alright, so let's cut this thinly slice, and then you need 4 cups of water for this, and this will make 6 cups of soup, or 6 bowls, little mini bowls. Okay, so this is a very easy, super easy recipe, and it's really good, and it's very healthy. So if you're trying to lose weight or trying to stay away from cholesterol or sodium, this is really good because this is vegan, because I'm using a vegetarian some kind. I'm using a vegetarian a vegetable bouillon, vegetarian bouillon, vegan vegetarian, something like that. So do this. There, our mushroom is done. Now we gonna go with our Napa cabbage. Let's slice it thinly again. So, um, like that. So, since I'm gonna put what we need to do, everything, if everything is prepared, we're gonna put everything in the soup pot. So, I'm just gonna put now the napa cabbage inside the pot. So, just thinly slice like this. And then we need 4 cups of water for the soup. Alright? Like that. It's just like a shredded vegetable, like lettuce, something like that. Just gonna have to finely slice it finely. Okay. So if you have a lot of people, you're gonna serve a lot of people for this soup, you can double, triple the size and all the seasonings and everything. Because this one is, I'm only making a small amount just for me and my husband. And this is good, really good for diabetic and with high blood pressure, with heart disease. This soup is really, really good. And it's yummy. It's very, very good. I love it very much. Especially when you love mushroom and cabbage. Oh, this is really good. I learned this recipe from our church and our friends. And since then, this is my favorite soup to cook because it's not only cheap, all these ingredients, but it's also very healthy and it's very, very quick and easy to make. And there's only a few ingredients and spices that you need, so it's really good. There. There you go. There, it's cut. Alright, now since I don't have a clove of garlic, I just gonna put the same amount of minced garlic. So let's put everything now in the pot. Alright, so I got my cabbage now over there, my mushroom, right, clove of garlic, but I replace it with minced garlic, your half of onion, 1 carrot, okay, and 1 teaspoon of beef-like seasoning or a vegetarian bouillon. That's what it looks like, vegetarian bouillon. Alright, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. See, our 1/2 teaspoon of salt. There you go. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Alright. Oops, 1. There you go. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I'm just gonna use this. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. There you go. Onion powder. There you go. And 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. There's my Italian seasoning. 1 teaspoon. So I'm just gonna scoop it up. That's what it looks like with the Italian seasoning, okay? 1 teaspoon. After you put all the ingredients, the spices, everything in there, now we're gonna need 4 cups of water. Sorry guys. 4 cups of water for the soup. Okay, my cup takes 2.5. Okay, that's 2.5 cups now in there. 2.5. And 1.5. That is 4 cups of water. So now, oh, look, it's ready to put in the pot. So put it in the pot like this. Now, let's see. It's like that. There you go. Here's my pot. So let's just wait and cook it for 10 minutes. So let's put the lid on. Alright, there you go. It's gonna cook for 10 minutes. Now, while we are waiting for that to boil and cook, I'll show you my, let's go this way. I will show you now what it looks like. My cucumber salad that I made yesterday. And let's see how it tastes like my cucumbers, my marinated cucumber salad. Let's see. And you can serve this after the meal and have a little few pieces of cucumber salads on the side, like when you eat your lunch or dinner and you eat your meal. After you eat your meal, then you can have few pieces of this. Let's see. Oh my god, it's very good. My husband gonna love this. It is really tastes better when it's cold and marinated. So alright guys, that is guys. I'll show you later on when it's all done, my my soup. So I will see you guys later, and thank you so much for joining me. See you guys. Bye for now. Alright guys, here we go. This is our Brussels sprouts or cabbage soup, and it's really good. It's all done. It's ready to serve, and my husband is ready to eat. He said he's very hungry, so I'm gonna serve him now the soup. So this is the very to be honest guys, this is the easiest and quickest soup I've ever cooked for a long time. It's super easy to make. You don't need to spend much money to make this. It's It's very convenient because it's all vegetables. It's not hard to find in the stores, or maybe you even have in your backyard with your in your garden. So oh, and it's really really good for this soup for people that are trying to lose weight just like me. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoy it and hope you like my videos. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell and click all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you have a question about this recipe or this soup, or you wanted to say something, just feel free to put your comment in the comment section below and your questions. So when I get around to it as soon as possible, I will I will answer your questions after I read them, guys. And please, guys, give me a thumbs up. Thank you, guys, again, and you have a good day, good afternoon, and great evening or good night to everybody wherever you are in a part of the world. And God bless you all. As I always say, keep safe, stay healthy, and pray all the time. Love you guys. Big hug to everybody. Love, love, love. See you guys later.